Hey there, today I have a Stitchfix box to unbox. So yeah, this is my second box for July. Since I have the Style Pass now, I feel like I can go ahead and just maybe do some more of these. I don't know if I'm going to be doing them bi-monthly, but I'll definitely be doing them at least monthly and maybe sometimes bi-monthly. But anyway, if you're not familiar with Stitchfix, it is an online styling service. And I'll put information in the description box below along with my referral link in case you want to check it out. And I'll also put a link up above to my playlist of previous Stitch Fix videos. So anyway, this is my box and it is kind of more compact than usual. It does feel pretty full. So let's go ahead and see what I got. It's been a long week. Been working a lot. So yes, it's very nice to be able to finally break open this box. Okay, so here's what it looks like inside. And so you have an envelope that has your information and a prepaid mailer to send anything you don't want back. And here is my bundle. Wow, okay, so let's see. I'll give you a close-up. So this month my bundle has a lot of, it looks like warmer, almost fall colors. Yeah, so we'll see what she sent me. Here is my style card, along with my note from my stylist, Holly. Thank goodness, yes, she's still my stylist. And I'm gonna read the note quickly. I'll scan it and put it up above so you can freeze the frame and read it in case you want to, but I'm gonna quickly read it. Okay, so one thing she mentioned in her note, I've been thinking about getting some mom jeans. Let me know if you guys have mom jeans or if you've heard of mom jeans. I remember when I was younger, the jeans were different basically. So what they call mom jeans are like basically what we wore as jeans like in the 90s and the 80s. So I noticed those have become fashionable again, but they call them mom jeans. So I asked her if I could get some mom jeans, but she wasn't sure what I was referring to. So she sent me some skinnies, but but we'll see. I actually ordered some mom jeans from the Gap. I saw them online, and so I have upcoming a Gap Old Navy haul with a bunch of different stuff, including those mom jeans. But anyway, let's go ahead and see what I got. First, oh, okay, this is a KAILEIGH dress. I have a dress in this exact style in a different print, and this is a great style dress, I think, for work. It's okay, so this is by KAILEIGH, size medium, and it's a Dotty knit dress. And this KAILEIGH brand is actually pretty affordable. It's $48, so that's not bad. Okay, next, ooh, this is by RAINN. Very pretty. Beautiful print. I love RAINN tops actually. And this is the Emela Ruffle neckline blouse in teal green, size medium, and it's probably a little pricey, $64. And actually that is the standard pricing for RAINN tops. This one, she said it was a little sheer, and you'll see it isn't lined, so I might have to wear something under it. But it is very pretty. And I don't have anything with this kind of neckline. Next, okay. It's another top. Oh, this is very nice. It's by a brand JELLA, and I've actually never heard of that brand. Size medium. This is made in the USA, and it's the Halleck crochet sleeve blouse, and it is in the color burgundy, size medium. And this one is $36, so it's actually not a bad price. It is a very pretty color, so we'll see. Next, okay, oh, another dress. Okay, this is very nice. This is by the brand BRITTON, and it's the Nelcy knit dress in the color burgundy, size medium. So look at that. Look at that print. And it is $44. So not bad. And oh, I love these kind of dresses actually. And it's really, really soft knit material. Let me just see what this is made out of. It's 90% polyester, 10% spandex. Okay, last are the Liverpool jeans that she sent me. Okay. So these are the Elizabeth Super Skinny Jean in 6 Petite. And they are nice. They have, actually, it's just pull on. So it's got elastic waistband. And they're just kind of basic. And these are $78, which actually for Liverpool, I guess that's about standard. Okay, so that was everything I got in this second July Stitch Fix. So yeah, now I am going to try everything on and we'll see how it looks. Okay, here is the KAILEIGH knit dress. And yeah, I really like this. Okay, so this is the same style that I have in another color. I think I got it last year. But yeah, I really like it. I think it's nice, and it's so comfortable and easy to wear. In the style card, she had it paired with some tan pumps, and she has like a trench coat or a teal colored blazer, but I don't have either of those. I do have these brand new tan, very low heel pumps, and I just got them from the Nordstrom anniversary sale, and they're from Kohan, and I really like them. So I'll stick a picture up above somewhere, and I'll put a link. Anything that I mention, I'm not going to do a Nordstrom haul, but I'll try to incorporate some of the items, because I just bought a few things from Nordstrom in my try-on. Okay, so here is the 9 BRITTON dress, and wow, this dress is really nice. I mean, for $44, this is a total, I don't know, I think it's really good. It has fluttery sleeves, which I love, and get this, pockets, yeah. And it's knit, it's flowy. I mean, I don't know, this is, I just like this. So, another cute dress. And then, okay, let's see how it looks with the denim jacket. I gotta go find it. Okay, and here it is styled with the denim jacket. So yeah, I really like this dress. I think it's a keeper. Okay, and here is the top with the crochet detail on the shoulders. You can see that it's very nice. It's a little, I think it's a little big though. I don't know if I should size down, but it is pretty. And I just paired it with, these are my white Liverpool skinny jeans that I got from Mix and Match. And those same pumps. And it's just out of bag. This is just a purse I got from Amazon. So yeah, nice. So far it's been good. Okay, so here is the Daniel RAINN top. And I have it paired with the Liverpool skinny pull-on jeggings. So you'll see, here's the top a little closer. It's very pretty. And it has this kind of, can't see it, kind of an interesting neckline, which I've just hidden with this necklace. It is nice. It is kind of sheer, so I put like a camisole under. And I don't know if these match that well, but I also bought these from the Nordstrom anniversary sale. These are some Kohan mules. And I'll stick a picture up. So here, you'll see that they have fake pockets in the front and then real pockets in the back. And they're pull-on with a thick elastic waist, and they're really stretchy. They have some fading, but no distressing, and the length is just right. So yeah, they're very cute. Although I just purchased some jeggings like this, very similar, except they were just all a dark wash from Amazon. And those were only like $20. So these are $79. But yeah, I mean, I think these are a little more stylish. Okay, and I just wanted to add this in real quick. I got this at the Nordstrom anniversary sale. And I've been kind of looking for a white blazer and pretty much striking out. But I saw this online. I don't know, it's not exactly what I'm looking for. It's just basically almost like a cardigan. So it's by KAILEIGH. And I think, I can't remember what it was. I'll put everything down below in the description box. But I mean, I kind of like it. It's just something very easy to throw on. So, not sure if it really adds to this outfit, but I'm just rocking it out here. Okay. Okay, so that was everything I got in my second July Stitchfix box. And the total for all 5 items is $270. And if I were to buy all 5, I'd get 25% off. And that would be $67.50 off. And the order subtotal would be $202.50. But I also did have some credit. And I want to quickly thank 2 of you who signed up using my referral link this past month. And those 2 are Allison R. and Marta V. So thank you very much. I really do appreciate it. Anytime you sign up using my referral link, I get a $25 credit, and you get to try Stitchfix risk-free. So yes, I really do appreciate all of you that have signed up using my referral link. But anyway, yeah, so that makes my fix actually very affordable. The only thing is, I don't know, I really did like these 2 dresses. This is a style I haven't seen before, actually, this 9 BRITTON Nelcy knit dress, and I really liked it because I love flutter sleeves. It had pockets and it was flowy. and it's a knit dress. So, and it was only $44. So I'm almost thinking I would love to get this in other prints too. So I don't know if any of you have gotten this dress before and if it does come in other prints, but this is very pretty. I think this must be more of a fall dress because actually 3 of the items were more fall colors, I think. And then this dress, this is the KAILEIGH Dotty knit dress. I think this is a keeper too, actually. And the other KAILEIGH knit dress I have it on my Pinterest board, and I think it's the most pinned item. Wait, let me double check. Yeah, and FYI, I'll pin everything to my Pinterest board. So if you see anything in my fix that you want to pin to your Pinterest board, you can do so, and I'll have a link down below. Yeah, the other KAILEIGH knit dress I had was the Molly knit dress, and that one had been pinned 214 times. So I think that was a very popular style. So I love the 2 dresses. This top was pretty cute. It was a little big though, and I'm not sure if it was special enough for me to keep, unless I was doing a 5 for 5, of course. And I love Daniel RAINN, but I do actually have something very kind of similar to this, I mean color-wise, so I'm not sure about that. And regarding these leggings are very nice, and I would say they're really, really comfortable. They fit well, but yeah, I don't know. It's not what I had in mind. Yeah, I did like these, but I kind of don't need another pair of jeggings. So, plus I do have my mom jeans coming. But anyway, let me know what you thought of the clothes. I thought it was another good fix. I mean, I think the only thing I didn't really like were, well, I liked everything. I just was looking for something different. I was looking for mom jeans, and I got skinny jeans. I think Holly did try. And sometimes I think with my notes, I do get in the way of the stylist, because I think if I just left it up to her, she'd probably send me, oh, there's a helicopter. Yeah, so I think maybe next time I'll just leave it almost blank and just request Holly as my stylist and just kind of give a general request versus some specifics, because sometimes I do think that if you're too specific with your note, you might actually get in the way of the stylist, you know, doing her job and picking out clothes for you, because she does an excellent job of picking out things, so yeah. But anyway, that's all I have for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. I do a lot of unboxing videos and also some shopping hauls. So if you enjoy those kind of videos, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you next time. Bye now.